Welcome to my channel. Let's make delicious mutton keema gravy in different taste. Mutton keema gravy. Keema added in pressure cooker. Added chopped onions, ginger, and garlic paste. Cumin, dry coriander, thick cardamom, and curry leaves will add. Now add water and cover it for 5 minutes only. Add tomatoes. Added oil. Now added chopped green chilies and yogurt and cooked well. Add turmeric and salt. Mixed well and will fry well. Now add potatoes. Cooked well. When fried well, add water to it. Now let it cook well and we have a keema gravy which is very delicious to eat. Ready for eat delicious mutton keema gravy. Very different recipe and very easy to make. Thanks for watching.